Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. I'm Khanzada Asfandyar Khattak. I'm from the 12th generation of the national poet of Afghanistan, Khushal Khan Khattak. I'm a classical Kathak dancer and I've learned classical Kathak dance from my teacher, Madam Indu Mithaji, who is 94 years old. And Madam Indu Mithaji is a living legend. Mashallah, she has won the Presidential Pride of Performance Award and she has taught me classical Kathak with great love, great affection. And after learning classical Kathak dance from Madam Indu Mithaji, I fused it with my Afghan national Pashto Atar Khattak dance. And through this dance, through this fusion of Khattak and Kathak, I try to give a positive image of the Pashtuns throughout the world. I have represented the positive image of Pashtuns in Afghanistan, in Malaysia, in Thailand, in Uzbekistan, Central Asia, in Turkey, Europe, in the Arab countries, in Qatar, and across 15 different states of the United States of America. I run a small organization called Tehri Nawab Darbar, which is a rights space organization working for tourism, culture, dance, music. And Tehri Nawab Darbar was run by my forefathers, the Nawabs of Tehri, the chiefs of Khattaks. And in our darbars, during daytime, the atan or the dance was done with swords, and in the evening time or night time, the dance was done with lit torches. So I'm taking forward the legacy because the last Nawab of Tehri or the chief of Khattaks was my grandfather, and through this dance, I want to give a positive image of Pashtuns because it's through the soft image of Pashtuns that the soft power, which has the greatest power, and the soft power can stop wars, it can stop the hatred, it can stop all the unjust in the world. So with this soft art and this soft power, I try to promote the Afghan Pashtun rights because the Afghans are getting killed on both sides of the Durand. Through my dress, I represent the whole of Pashtunistan and Afghanistan and Pakistan. I'm wearing the Chitrali Gilgit-Baltistani cap, I'm wearing the Baloch waistcoat, I'm wearing the Afghan Pashtun shirt, and in my feet I'm wearing the Baloch Chawat. And the swords are to fight the injustice, fight all the hatred in the world. And the red handkerchiefs are to spread affection and love. As my great-grandfather Khushal Khan Khattak has said, "Dil sabah baada guzar ko chaman byakra, dil sabah baada guzar ko chaman byakra, wo chaman ke rang rang gulna wakra." Oh, the breeze of spring, oh, the breeze of spring, come to the garden again and blossom all the different flowers. So all the different flowers are in the shape of Pashtun, Baloch, Brahvi, Sindhi people who are the future of Pakistan, and our identity is through our dress, through our language, through our cuisine, through our food, through our dance. And through this identity, we bring diversity to this nation, to this country which is called Pakistan, the land of Indus. Khushal Khan Khattak has said, "Sheikh de munz rojakra, zabuda ke pyale akhla, har sade paida da khpal khpal kaar lagakala. Let the saints fast and pray, I'll have goblets full. Every man is created for his own cause." So you should know about your own cause. If you're an artist, pursue art. If you want to be a doctor, serve humanity through your, medical skills, and serve this world because this world needs you and this world needs me in the form of our cultural identity, in the form of our great legacy, poetry, music, dance and art. This land of greatness is full of life. Thank you so much.